Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the radio head unit on this 2003 Lexus ES300. So the first thing they want you to do is put the unit into shipping mode. So you need to press the disc and C cup at the same time and hold them, and then turn the ignition to accessory, one click. And then wait, and now it says ship on the display. So you can remove the key, and now if you want you can disconnect the battery just to be safe. We'll start by removing this panel right here. Gotta be careful with it because this plasticky wood finish, it can chip sometimes, so you want the interior to be warm when you're doing this, and then carefully remove it with interior trim tool. And you have a connector here to disconnect. Just pinch the tab and pull. Now we can remove this piece of trim. I think we'll need to move the shifter back to be able to get it out of here. You can pop out this little shift interlock cover on the side, and then press the button in there, and you'll be able to get the shifter out of the way. Now let's unplug the connector back here. Put something soft here to protect the heater control while we're taking it out. And you can grab this heater control and pull it out. Just held on by clips. And now you've got all the wires to unhook from the back. This one has 3 connectors right there. Now we need to remove the 4 10mm head bolts that hold the radio unit in. 2 you can see right there, and then there is 1 on either side inside. So let's get those out. It's not a bad idea to use a magnetic socket. You don't have to if you don't have one, but that may help prevent the bolts from dropping down and then having to look for them. Now we can pull this unit out of here and unplug all the connectors on the back. We've got 2 antenna connectors here, and then another big one at the bottom. So we had this one only had 1 big one, 2 antenna ones here, and then 1 here and 1 there. To reinstall, get it over here, reconnect all the connectors that we previously disconnected, and then put it in place, clip the top in, reinstall the 4 bolts I can't find a torque spec on them, but they just go into little metal inserts and plastic. So I think about 5 foot-pounds will be plenty. So tighten the 4 bolts up. Reconnect the heater control connectors until they click. And reinstall the heater controls. Now reconnect this connector here. Reinstall this trim piece. Get the 2 hooks in the front, and then clip the rest of it down. Reconnect this connector here, and then get this trim back in place. And you can put it back to park, and then reinstall this little cover. Reconnect the battery if you had it previously disconnected, and the job is completed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more Lexus ES300 maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.